Concrete core fill framework is a construction method used to strengthen walls and structural systems by filling hollow sections with concrete. The biggest advantage of a concrete core fill framework is high structural strength. When concrete is filled inside hollow walls, it creates a solid, load-bearing core that significantly improves stability. Another major benefit is durability. This system can withstand harsh weather, moisture, and long-term wear, giving the structure a longer lifespan. It also offers excellent seismic and wind resistance. The reinforced concrete core helps buildings stay stable during earthquakes and strong winds. A key advantage is faster construction. Since the framework is pre-formed, it reduces the need for traditional formwork, saving both time and labor. This leads to cost efficiency as well. Less labor, reduced material waste, and quicker project completion lower overall construction costs. When insulated blocks are used, it improves energy efficiency. Buildings stay cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing energy consumption. Another benefit is sound insulation. Concrete-filled walls help block outside noise, making interiors quieter and more comfortable. Finally, this system requires low maintenance. Its strength and durability reduce the need for frequent repairs over time. With Dragon Screed's revolutionary new system. With Dragon Screed, you will level, subgrade, and screed concrete all from the comfort of your machine. It is the only power-driven product on the market capable of leveling both subgrade and concrete. Dragon Screed can level subgrade in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Your crew will appreciate letting the machine do the work for them. The adjustable attachment allows you to subgrade at precision depths, meaning perfect consistency of slab thickness, less wasted concrete, and an overall stronger product. Dragon Screed drags, floats, and vibrates concrete with every pass. Crews simply get concrete close to grade, and Dragon Screed does the rest. Empty trucks faster at lower slumps. Take advantage of shorter weather windows and pour more on a daily basis, all from the comfort of your cab. In a tight spot, Dragon Screed comes with an attachment that works in front of your machine, allowing you to level, subgrade, or screed from within the forms. Dragon Screed is durable, made in the USA, and quickly customizable to meet the needs of any project. In only a few minutes, a two-man crew can reconfigure Dragon Screed to work off of either side of the machine, in forward or reverse. Dragon Screed can be adjusted to pour up to 22 feet wide and 8 inches deep. The installation of an ErgoBox station by Multplast refers to setting up a modern wastewater management system designed for efficient sewage treatment. Multplast is a manufacturer that specializes in producing septic tanks and caissons, which are underground structures used for storing or managing water and waste. The ErgoBox station is one of their advanced solutions, commonly used in residential and small commercial properties. During installation, a pit is first prepared in the ground according to the system size. The ErgoBox unit is then carefully placed into the excavation. It is connected to incoming wastewater pipes from the building and outgoing drainage or filtration systems. Once installed, the system begins to treat wastewater by separating solids and allowing cleaner water to flow out safely. The use of durable materials ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to environmental conditions. Overall, this installation provides an efficient, compact and reliable solution for managing sewage, especially in areas without centralized drainage systems. Hybris is an advanced insulation material used in modern construction to improve energy efficiency. It is typically a multi-layer or honeycomb-structured insulation that helps control heat flow, keeping interiors warm in winter and cool in summer. It also reduces air leakage and helps manage moisture, making buildings more comfortable and durable. The installation process is simple. It is placed inside walls, roofs or floors where it acts as a thermal barrier. Because it is lightweight and flexible, it's easy to handle and fits well into different building structures without taking up too much space. One of the key advantages of Hybris is that it does not compress or lose its shape over time, so its performance remains consistent for many years. This makes it more reliable than some traditional insulation materials. The biggest benefit is energy saving. Buildings insulated with Hybris require less heating and cooling, which reduces energy costs and improves indoor comfort. In short, Hybris is a smart insulation solution that makes buildings more efficient, comfortable and long-lasting. The Predel Flex Liner is an advanced solution used for repairing damaged sewer manholes without digging. Traditionally, repairing a manhole requires excavation, which is time-consuming, expensive and disruptive. But with the Flex Liner system, everything is done trenchless, meaning no need to break roads or disturb the surrounding area. First, the old manhole is scanned using 3D laser technology. This creates an exact digital model of the structure, allowing a perfectly customized liner to be manufactured. Next, the flexible liner, made from strong, corrosion-resistant material, is folded and inserted into the manhole in one piece. Once inside, it unfolds back to its original shape without causing any damage. After positioning, the liner is fixed in place using a special grout, creating a strong and permanent bond with the old structure. This forms a new, durable inner layer inside the manhole. The result is a fully restored manhole that is resistant to corrosion, leakage and long-term damage, with a lifespan of several decades. Overall, the Predel Flex Liner is a fast, cost-effective and eco-friendly solution that improves underground infrastructure while minimizing disruption. Stadium expansion joint installation is a critical process that allows large structures to safely expand and contract due to temperature changes, crowd load and structural movement. First, the joint area is prepared by cleaning out debris, dust and any old material. A smooth and solid base ensures proper installation and long-term performance. Next, a joint gap is measured carefully. This gap is designed to accommodate movement caused by heat, cold or heavy vibrations during events. After preparation, a support system or base rail is installed along the joint. This provides stability and ensures the expansion joint system stays aligned. Then, the expansion joint system, usually made of durable materials like rubber, metal, or a combination, is placed into position. These materials are flexible yet strong, allowing movement while maintaining structural integrity. Once positioned, the system is securely fixed using anchors or bolts. Proper fixing is essential to handle heavy foot traffic and dynamic loads in a stadium environment. After installation, a sealant is applied to prevent water, dirt, and debris from entering the joint. This helps protect the structure and increases lifespan. Finally, the surface is leveled and tested to ensure smooth movement and safety for pedestrians. In the end, expansion joints play a vital role in keeping stadiums safe, durable, and capable of handling massive crowds and environmental stress over time. Flexim Roof Mortar is a modern repair solution used for renovating damaged or aging roofs quickly and effectively. First, the roof surface is cleaned thoroughly. Dust, loose particles, moss, and old damaged material are removed to ensure strong adhesion. Next, any visible cracks or gaps are slightly opened and prepared, allowing the mortar to properly fill and bond with the surface. As it sets, the material forms a strong, waterproof layer that prevents water leakage and protects against further damage caused by rain, heat, and temperature changes. Another key benefit is its elasticity, meaning it can expand and contract without cracking, making it ideal for long-term roof protection. Finally, once dried, the repaired area becomes durable, weather-resistant, and maintenance-friendly. Overall, Flexim Roof Mortar is a fast, cost-effective solution for roof renovation, extending the life of the structure while ensuring reliable waterproofing. EcoMurt is a modern wall system used in construction that provides both structural support and insulation. It uses specially designed blocks or panels that are lightweight but strong. These units are assembled together to form walls, making the installation process fast and efficient, keeping indoor temperatures stable and reducing energy consumption. It often includes insulating materials that also improve soundproofing, reducing noise levels inside the building. In addition, it offers good resistance to moisture, helping protect the walls from damage over time. After installation, the wall is finished with plaster or cladding to achieve the final look. In simple terms, EcoMurt is an efficient, energy-saving, and quick-to-install wall solution, ideal for modern construction projects. Cellular foam concrete is a lightweight, high-performance material made by mixing cement slurry with stable foam to create millions of tiny air bubbles. First, the process starts with preparing a cement slurry, which is a mixture of cement, water, and sometimes fine sand. This forms the base material. At the same time, a foam generator produces pre-formed foam using water and a special foaming agent. This foam is stable and consistent, which is very important for quality. Next, the foam is mixed into the cement slurry using a controlled system. This creates a uniform mixture filled with evenly distributed air bubbles. These air pockets reduce the density of the concrete, making it lightweight while still maintaining strength. Once mixed, the foam concrete is poured into molds or directly into construction areas such as floors, void filling, or insulation layers. After pouring, it self-levels easily, reducing the need for heavy compaction or vibration. Then, the material is left to cure and harden. During this stage, it gains strength while maintaining its lightweight structure. The final product offers excellent thermal insulation, fire resistance, and soundproofing properties. Overall, cellular foam concrete is a cost-effective and efficient solution, widely used in modern construction for lightweight and energy-efficient structures. The Terralock system, used in places like Terling-Thun, France, is an innovative ground stabilization solution designed to protect slopes, roads, and infrastructure from erosion and landslides. First, the site is prepared and cleared, removing loose soil and unstable material. This ensures a solid base for installation. Next, Terralock anchors are driven or drilled into the ground. This not only improves stability, but also supports natural growth, blending the system with the environment. Once installed, the Terralock system works by distributing loads evenly and preventing soil movement caused by rain, gravity, or vibrations. The result is a safe, stable, and erosion-resistant surface that protects infrastructure and reduces maintenance costs. Overall, Terralock is a fast, durable, and eco-friendly solution, widely used in modern civil engineering projects across Europe. The Yield Link connection is an advanced structural steel connection system designed to improve building performance during extreme forces like earthquakes and heavy loads. In traditional steel structures, beam-to-column connections can suffer damage when stress becomes too high. But the Yield Link system is designed to control where and how the structure yields, making it safer and more predictable. At the core of this system is a replaceable steel link element. This link is intentionally designed to deform first when the structure is under stress, absorbing energy and protecting the main beams and columns from damage. During events like earthquakes, instead of the entire structure being affected, the Yield Link acts like a shock absorber, dissipating energy through controlled deformation. The connection is installed between beams and columns using bolts and plates, ensuring strong and stable assembly while allowing the link to perform its function. One major advantage is that after a severe event, the damaged link can be easily replaced, rather than repairing the entire structural system. This reduces downtime and repair costs significantly. Additionally, the system enhances ductility and resilience, allowing buildings to withstand repeated loading without sudden failure. Overall, the Yield Link moment connection is a smart engineering solution that improves safety, reduces structural damage, and ensures faster recovery after extreme events.